The key thing is that we don't add in victim perpetrator interpretations that turn one person into a perpetrator and the other person into a victim. We want to stay away from any language that starts doing that. I can't believe this happened to me. I can't believe somebody did this to me. I can't believe they do that to people. Any of that kind of language, we want to get that out of them. But anything that is describing people's experience in just factual ways can actually feel very grounding to everybody, because we don't want to gaslight anybody about the experience that they're going through. And different people in a system will have different interpretations, perceptions, and experiences of exactly the same experience. And each one of them gets to be languaged and honored and moved through for the person who's going through it. And it's a way then of modeling to the children. People can go through a similar event and interpret it and have it mean completely different things to different stakeholders. And whatever it is that you're feeling and whatever it is you're needing and how you're going through it and the meaning you're making is valid. And it's not going to be the same as everybody else's. And that doesn't mean that anybody is good or bad, or that anybody, especially in a family system, if you can stay away from the good or bad or the, victim perpetrator stuff, it's so supportive to everybody. And then it gives the children an opportunity to have their own experience and to go through what they are feeling and not feel like they have to now put their feelings away because they have to help mom and dad with their emotional needs. So the other thing is, if you can, to the degree that you can say to the kids, listen, I'm super sad and I'm going to cry for a while, but I'm fine. I am talking to my friends. I am talking to my therapist. I am good. I just want to lie on the couch and cry and all is well. It's very normalizing and stabilizing.
Yeah.